Hi, hello, how are you, friends? Welcome to MDS Coaching Institute Koratla, and I am your coach Mohammad Sohail. So, friends, today in this video we are discussing the bit questions in the history, Indian history bit questions. So, let's see the bit-wise questions. First question is, who said Swaraj is my right and I shall have it? This slogan was given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Second question, after the Chauri Chaura incident, Gandhiji suspended the which movement? The answer is non-cooperation movement. Third question, who expanded the theory of drain? Theory of drain was expanded by Dadabhai Naroji. Next, fourth question, what is the name of the fort built by the Britishers in Calcutta? The fort is Fort William. And the next question, the first Governor General of Bengal was Robert Clive. Robert Clive was the first Governor General of Bengal. So next, name the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Gopala Krishna Gokhale, G.K. Gokhale is known as the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Next question, who said that India's soul lives in villages? This quotation was given by the Mahatma Gandhi. Next question, what was the name of the newspaper edited by Gandhiji till 1933? It was the Young India. In Young India newspaper, Gandhiji edited till 1933. So next question, who was the first Viceroy of India? The first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. And one more point, Lord Canning was also the last Governor General of India. So last Governor General of India and first Viceroy of India was also the Lord Canning. Next question, who established the Ghadar Party? Ghadar Party was established by Lala Hardayal. Who? Lala Hardayal established the Ghadar Party. Next question, from where Mahatma Gandhi launched the civil disobedience movement in 1930? From Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat, Mahatma Gandhi launched the civil disobedience movement. So next question, Kesari newspaper was started by whom? So Bal Gangadhar Tilak started the newspaper Kesari. So next question, the third battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1761 AD. The third battle of Panipat was fought. So next 14th question, the Purna Swaraj means complete independence resolution was adopted in the counseling session of Indian National Congress held at. In which session this complete independence Purna Swaraj was demanded by the Indians? In Lahore session 1929. For the first time complete independence was demanded from the Britishers. So next question, who introduced doctrine of lapse? Doctrine of lapse reform was introduced by Lord Dalhousie, the Governor General Lord Dalhousie. So next question, the Lahore conspiracy case was registered against whom? So here we have to see that Lahore conspiracy case ran upon three members. The first was Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. So the option you may have Bhagat Singh or you may have Sukhdev or you may have Rajguru. So remember these three names. If these three names match the option, so tick it in the exam. Lahore conspiracy case. So next question, who is known as the Indian Bismarck? Who is known as the Indian Bismarck? That is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Indian Bismarck. Next question, which party was established by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose after he came out of Indian National Congress? Forward Bloc. Forward Bloc party was established by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So next question, the Ramakrishna mission was established by Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekananda. So next question. In 1937, the Indian National Congress formed ministries in how many states? In 1937 elections, in INC formed ministries in 7 states. So next 21st question. Which was the main cause for the starting of the Quit India movement in 1942? The main cause for the starting of Quit India movement was failure of Cripps mission. Failure of Cripps mission started the Quit India movement in 1942. So next 22nd question. Which movement got the support both the Hindus and Muslims? Non-cooperation movement got the support from Hindus and Muslims. So next 23rd question. Give me your blood, I will give you freedom. These words are attributed to Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose gave these words. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. These are the Subhash Chandra Bose words. Next question 24th. Who was the first Muslim president of INC? That is Badruddin Tayyibji. Badruddin Tayyibji was the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress. Next 25th question. Who was the first Indian Governor General after the Lord Mountbatten? That is C. Rajagopalachari. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari was the first Indian Governor General after the Lord Mountbatten. So Lord Mountbatten was the last Governor General of the India, and C. Rajagopalachari became the first Indian Governor General of India. And here we see 26th question. India was granted freedom during the British Prime Minister. So we gained independence in 1947 August 15. At that time the Prime Minister of the Britain was the Liberal Party member, that is Clement Attlee. Clement Attlee was the Prime Minister of the Britain at that time we got the independence. So next 27th question. Who among the following founded the All India Muslim League? So All India Muslim League in 1906 was founded by Aga Khan, and he became the first president of the All India Muslim League. So next 28th question. The Portuguese governor who abolished sati in Goa. In Goa, it was Portuguese colonies. Portuguese governor was Albuquerque. Albuquerque was the governor at that time. Portuguese governor who abolished sati in Goa. So next, the Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey was fought between East India Company and Sirajuddaula, the Nawab of Bengal. So next 30th question. Who founded the Servants of Indian Society? The Servants of Indian Society was founded by Gopala Krishna Gokhale. And next 31st question. Who said about Mahatma Gandhi that he is a half-naked fakir? So these words were Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill told about the Mahatma Gandhi that he is a half-naked fakir. And Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of the Britain also. So you have to remember three famous Britain Prime Minister. One is Clement Attlee, Winston Churchill, and Ramsay MacDonald. These three members were famous. So next 32nd question. Permanent settlement of Bengal was done by which British Governor General? So he is Lord Cornwallis. Lord Cornwallis gave the order to permanent settlement in Bengal. And who gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel? So Vallabhbhai Patel received the Sardar title from Mahatma Gandhi. Next, who was known as the father of Indian Renaissance? The father of Indian Renaissance is known as Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So next 35th question. Who wrote this song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara? This was written by Muhammad Iqbal. Next 36th question. Who was called the father of local self-government in India? The father of local self-government in India is known as Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon is known as the father of local self-government. So next 37th question. Who was the first Indian to qualify for the Indian Civil Services? The first Indian to qualify the Indian Civil Services were Satyendra Nath Tagore. Satyendra Nath Tagore was the first Indian to qualify for ICS, Indian Civil Services. So next, the Pune Pact. The Pune Pact in 1932 was an agreement between the Pune Pact, which was held in Pune, between Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Mahatma Gandhi. Between these two members, the Pune Pact was signed in 1932. Next, 39th question. Who established the Indian civil liberties in 1936? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru established the Indian civil liberties in 1936. So next, last but not the least question, 40th question. Who was the viceroy when Delhi became the capital of British India? It was the time of Viceroy Lord Hardinge. At the time of Lord Hardinge, the Britishers' capital was the Calcutta. So Hardinge transferred his capital from Calcutta to New Delhi. So at the time of Lord Hardinge, this Delhi became the capital of British India. So friends, if you like this video, share it, like it, and subscribe it, and comment on it if you have any doubts. So in next video, I will come in front of with you a new topic. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.